Today I'm going to show you how to get a total number in Excel. So you just type some numbers like these, and it's very simple to do. So you just use this command like sum, and you open it up, and you select the numbers with your left mouse click, and you hold and drag it down, and then you just close it, and here it is, the total amount. You can also do it on another way. So you can just do it plus this one plus this one, but this takes a little bit more time. So you can do it on this way, but if you have a lot of numbers, you can also do it on another way. So you can also do it like this. You just select the 5 and you select Control and Shift at the same time, and then you just wait, swipe it below. Wait, let me remove this. So you can also do it this way. Just select, type the is, and then select the 5, and then just hold Control and Shift, and then just put the arrow down, or just click it in, and then all the way down, and then just close it again. Close it and open it. My bad. And wait. Oh wait, my bad. Just do some first. That was my bad. And then just select the 5 and just hold Ctrl and Shift and all the way down with the arrow. So you select them all at once, and you can do this with 200 or 300 numbers. Then just close it up, and here it is, also 45. So there are 3 different methods to do this.